Net worth Section 257. Net worth refers to the difference between a company's total assets and its total liabilities. It represents the equity or ownership value of the company, indicating the residual value that would remain if all liabilities were paid off using the company's assets. Calculation. 1. Total assets. Total assets include all tangible and intangible assets owned by the company, such as cash, receivables, inventory, property, plant, equipment, investments, and intellectual property. 2. Total liabilities. Total liabilities encompass all financial obligations and debts owed by the company to creditors, suppliers, lenders, and other stakeholders. This includes accounts payable, loans, accrued expenses, and deferred revenues. 3. Net worth formula. Net worth is equal to total assets total liabilities. Significance and uses. 1. Financial health indicator. Net worth serves as a key financial metric to assess the solvency and financial health of a company. A positive net worth indicates that the company's assets exceed its liabilities, reflecting a strong financial position. A negative net worth suggests that liabilities outweigh assets, indicating potential financial distress or insolvency concerns. 2. Investment and creditworthiness. Investors and creditors use net worth as a measure of the company's creditworthiness and ability to repay debts. A higher net worth enhances investor confidence and may facilitate access to capital through equity or debt financing. 3. Strategic decision-making. Management and stakeholders use net worth to make strategic decisions regarding capital investments, business expansions, dividend distributions, and financial restructuring initiatives. It helps in evaluating the impact of financial transactions, mergers, acquisitions, and divestitures on the company's overall financial position. Regulatory compliance. 1. Reporting requirements. Companies are required to disclose their net worth in financial statements prepared in accordance with accounting standards prescribed by regulatory authorities, such as the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, MCA, in India. Compliance with reporting requirements ensures transparency, accountability, and adherence to regulatory standards governing financial disclosures.